Do you see my hair? I am so in love with this unit. I love the color, I love the length, I love the volume of it. It looks so real. People will think this is my hair, like without a doubt. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you this gorgeous highlight curly wig with a bang. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Before we get into this wig review, I want to give a huge thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring this video. And Gorgius is the perfect name because look at this unit. This unit is gorgeous, and I'm so excited to share this unit with you. So make sure you go ahead and check out Gorgius. I will have all the information down in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check them out and check out this wig because you need this unit. Keep watching, you'll find out why. Okay, lovey, so I have my wig cap on and I have the wig right here. It comes in this gorgeous box. I just love the colors. It's so fun. It just makes me feel happy. Like, look at it. So let's do a quick unboxing. So we have the box with the wig and it's full of goodies as well. So of course we have our gorgeous wig. We have wig caps. It also comes with a satin pouch that you can store your wig in. It's on brand. I love it. It says Gorgius. It comes with another cute plastic pouch that has a few goodies in here. Okay, so we have an elastic band, a edge brush, clips, bobby pins, tweezers. You can never have too many of any of these things that they've given us. So this unit is the high density messy curly bang wig, and I am so excited to try her out. I mean, look at this color, y'all. This unit is in the color highlight honey blonde mix color. Also, it's in the inch 10, so it's 10 inches long. Let's get into the construction of this unit. So as you can see, this unit has no lace. So this is a full cap unit and you just throw it on and go. So it has a total of 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 on the back. It also comes with adjustable straps so you can adjust the fit of your wig. And for extra security, it comes with an elastic band already installed for us. And then we just have our wefts sewn onto a cap. So let's put her on. I'm super excited. We don't have to cut lace, we don't gotta pluck, we don't have to do any of those things we usually have to do. This is an easy and convenient wig, so it's gonna be a quick install. So let's get her on. Let's look good. Let's get it going. If you're not comfortable or you haven't perfected how to install your unit, this is definitely beginner easy, beginner friendly. So that is a plus. So you just throw her on. This is how the unit looks. I just gave her a quick shake. Gotta shake up the wig to loosen up the curls. Then I decided to use my fingers to finger comb this unit because it is a curly unit, so you don't have to do that much to it. Most of the time you can give it a quick shake, a good finger comb, and you're good to go. So as you can see, I'm having way too much fun with this unit, okay? So I actually like this unit how it is right here. It's messy, but the curls are still defined. Okay, so I had to brush her out dry with the paddle brush. I like big hair. I am loving this hair brushed out like this. Like, I don't know if you would go out like this, but I would definitely go out like this. Big hair, don't care. It's giving me all my afro baddie dreams, okay? I'm just loving this. I could put on some big hoops, put on a little cute little crop top shirt and a skirt and a cute pair of heels, and you'll be so so good to go. Can even do it like in the side little part, like to the side a little bit. Ooh, I'm in love, like just like this. Okay, but this isn't what we were going for, but I'm in love with her. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls more with a spray bottle and just see what this unit can do wet. So let's talk about the feel of the hair. The hair is very soft. This unit would also be great as a protective style, being that you don't have to worry about any glue, any gels. You can definitely just install this wig and you're good to go. So this would be a great protective style wig. You could wear it, take it off, moisturize, seal, wash your hair, condition your hair, and then put this unit back on. So we are all set. My hair is all nice and styled. It's still kind of damp, but it's pretty much dry. I am in love with this wig. Super easy to install. It took me like 5 minutes. It could take less depending on how you like to style your wig or the look you're going for. So if you want something light and fluffy, don't use any product. All you need to do is use your fingers, use a powder brush, or just shake out the wig and you'll have a nice fluffy style. If you want something more defined, you don't like a lot of frizz, you don't want your hair to be too big, definitely go ahead and add product. So this is the look I came up with, and I am absolutely in love with this unit. Let's get into this wig review. Okay, so let's start with tangles. This hair did not tangle. I did wet it, I did add gel to it, and I did brush it out, and it did not tangle. But I must say this unit did shed. It did shed as I was finger combing, as I was brushing it out with the powder brush. I do see hairs here and there, so it does shed quite a bit. But I mean, it's a curly unit, it's a lot of hair, so shedding should be somewhat expected. Okay, so let's talk about smell. So the one thing I love most about a unit is when it has no smell, and this unit doesn't have a smell. It just smells like your typical wig hair. It's not bad at all. It doesn't smell horrible, and that's what we love. Length and density. So this unit is in 10 inches, but this unit is also available in 14 inches. But I am actually loving this 10-inch on me. I usually prefer longer hair, but I'm never mad at a short afro curly wig. I love a good fro. It's bringing back those natural days without all the work of natural hair. So the density is very full, like I said, from root to tip. So as you can see, she's not missing no hair, she's not missing any meals, and she's even thicker if you don't put product in her. Although this unit is very full, it isn't heavy, so it doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels like I don't have anything on my head. This unit I'm rocking is in the color Highlight, and I love it. Like I said, it's perfect for summer. I think it's great for fall as well. So this is definitely something you can rock going into the next coming season. It is a nice honey brown 33 color, which I am in love with. So I love that. But this unit also comes in different colors, in natural black or a dark brown. So if you are scared of color, scared to dye your real hair, try this unit out in color, because you get to see if you like the color before you dye your hair. And then also you don't have to dye your hair because you have this whole unit in this color. So let's get into price. How much does this highlighted full cap messy curly wig with a bang cost? How much is it? And this unit is $129. So this unit is very affordable, like $129. Oh my gosh, for this, yes. So I would definitely recommend this unit to you guys. It's beginner friendly. It looks natural and realistic, low maintenance, so it doesn't take a lot to install this unit. A shake and go wig, definitely a great unit for if you just want to switch up your look really quickly. Put this unit on, take it off, and then go back to your clip-ins or your braids or whatever hairstyle you had before putting on this unit. So those are my thoughts on this gorgeous full cap highlight curly messy wig with a bang. Once again, I want to give a big thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check out Gorgius and this unit. The link and all the information on this unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. Comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts on this unit? Are you loving the color? Are you loving the price point? Would you rock this wig? Do you like a curly wig with bangs? I want to know your thoughts. Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends.